Yes, I'm on a lookout. So banging, shorty like a belly dancer with it. Smell good, pretty skin, so gangster with it. No tricks, only diamonds under my sleeve. Give me the number, but make sure you holler before you leave.
Like me. I know you like me. I know you do. I know you do. That's why whenever I come around, she's all over you. And I know you want it. I know you want it. It's easy to see. And in the back of your mind, I know you should be on with me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you? you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you? Don't you? Fight the feeling. Fight the feeling. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. 'Cause if it ain't love, it just ain't enough to leave a happy home. Let's keep it friendly. Let's keep it friendly. You have to play fair. See, I don't care, but I know she ain't gon' wanna share. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Like me. Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Alright, sing. Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Wrong. Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Big fan. Don't you?
Okay, I see how it's going down.
Don't you?
Seem like shorty want a little menage to pop off or something. Let's go. Well, let me get straight to it. A broad won't watch it. When I come through, it's the God Almighty looking all brand new. A shorty wanna jump in my Aston Van Jewish, looking at me all like she really wanna do it. Try to put it on me till my black and bluish. You wanna play with a player girl and play on? Trip out the Chanel and leave the lingerie on. Watch me and I'ma watch you at the same time, looking like you won't break my back. You're the very reason why I keep a pack of the Magnum, and with the wagon hit you in the back of the Magnum. For the record, don't think it was something you did. Shorty all on me 'cause it's hard to resist the kid. I got an idea that's dope for y'all as y'all can get cool. So I can hit the phone for y'all.
I know she loves you. I know she loves you. I understand. I understand. I'd probably be just as crazy about you if you were my old man. Maybe next lifetime. Maybe next lifetime. Possibly. Possibly. Until then, old friend, your secret is safe with me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Like me. Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Alright, sing. Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Wrong. Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Big fun. Don't you? Don't you?
Mother, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. It got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I ain't doing one night. I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This text gon' be evidence. This text is evidence. I try to ration with you. No murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, planning on my patient. Now you laying face down, got me singing over a beat. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I do. One night, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one will.